Building in the open means there is nowhere to hide. In a decentralized system, every metric, every flaw, and every failure is entirely public. Recently, Autonomi's Network Health Monitor detected a struggle with replication healing. For the first time, reliability dipped below the 100% mark. This technical dip created a secondary economic symptom. Uploads slowed, and the people running nodes on the network saw their payments drop accordingly. In a centralized company, a secret crisis team would handle these issues behind closed doors, away from public scrutiny. Without a central authority to mandate a fix, a decentralized network faces a difficult question. How do you bridge the gap between identifying a critical flaw and actually deploying a solution? Simply writing better code is insufficient. Survival depends on engineering a structured human feedback loop capable of diagnosing and healing the system in real time. Crowdsourced development often fails because raw community feedback is too chaotic. Without a rigid process to parse the noise, the information stays unactionable. Autonomi is addressing this by moving away from disorganized chat channels and into dedicated forum-style community rooms designed to keep feedback specific. Room 001 is the first proof of this format. It is a live workspace where contributors help shape the project's website, moving beyond simple reactions to provide actual design input. This system is expanding to include rooms for developer experience and a beta node fleet, allowing for testing in environments that mirror the live production network. Radical transparency now extends to non-technical documentation. Autonomi is publishing external direction records, clear statements of the project's goals and the reasoning behind them. These records live on GitHub, where they are accessible to human contributors, automated tools, and AI agents. This allows everyone and everything to challenge and shape the project's direction directly. These structured inputs turn the community into a diagnostic layer of the network's own infrastructure. This feedback loop is already moving from intelligence gathering to execution, resulting in immediate code deployments. Developers recently closed 2 gaps in the network's self-auditing. This work ensures honest payments always process and prevents the system from being exploited by bad actors. Usability also saw a boost. The desktop app now features a cleaner flow that allows users to approve data uploads directly from a browser wallet. Economically, new batch upload pricing ensures node runners are fairly compensated for space provided, preventing large data from entering too cheaply. This speed proves the loop's viability. The network identifies flaws, crowdsources data, and repairs infrastructure in real time. Maintaining this self-healing loop requires a way to continuously incentivize the human intelligence that drives it. That is the goal of the Contribution Ladder, a new initiative built to recognize and reward community members for their active participation and labor. This leads back to the issue of quiet upload volumes and light node payments. This is a demand gap. The network code is functioning, but the data volume hasn't caught up to node capacity. Now that the infrastructure is hardening and the feedback loop is formalized, the network has the stability required to change its focus. The collective attention of the ecosystem is pivoting toward the market. The next step is driving real-world demand to close that gap. True decentralization occurs when the community that actively runs the network also owns the process of building it.